Hello you guys, sorry about the bad audio for the first half of the video. I'm reposting this video because there was a copyright claim on the song. Agencies on YouTube like to do that for money. So one thing I definitely like about this case right here is the black part is a harder plastic, and then the orange parts are like a really dense type of rubber. So it'll definitely be easy on the face of your Apple Watch, but then be able to withstand anything from any type drops. So right here, I went ahead and put on the nylon strap that released around the same time as this case. So far, I really do enjoy having this setup. It looks completely different than most other people's Apple Watches. One of my issues with it is you can't really take off or put on a strap in general unless you pop the case off first, which isn't hard to do. It comes off easy, but not easy enough to be knocked off. And in a little bit, I'll be uploading my review and thoughts of should you buy this product or should you pass for the case and the strap, because I've looked online and the strap does have a tendency to start to like fray out on like the very edges. But nylon usually does that for a little while before it gets completely settled in. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to check out some of my other videos and feel free to subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good day.